बट डॉक्टर साहब टेल मी वन थिंग, गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है कि जो डेटा, इंटरनेशनल डेटा जो है, बोल रहे हैं कि कोई भी डेथ्स जो है पोल्यूशन से रिलेटेड नहीं है, उसका कोई साइंटिफाइड डेटा नहीं है। WHO के स्टैंडर्ड्स का कोई मतलब नहीं है, वो सिर्फ गाइडलाइंस हैं। हमारे अपने स्टैंडर्ड जो 8 टाइम्स हाई हैं WHO से, क्या प्रॉब्लम को नकारने से सिचुएशन बेहतर हो जाएगी?
See, India has national ambient air quality standards. There are 8 parameters involved in that, which are regularly studied. Out of these 12 parameters, 8 are included in air quality index. They are PM 2.5, PM 10, NOx, ozone, all these things. And World Health Organizations, they issue the advisory. They have mostly 5 parameters of particulate matter 2.5, 10, ozone and NOx, all these things. And if you compare the WHO parameters, the parameters which we have in AQI are more stringent, are more as compared to WHO. And these are
how? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you how. PM 2.5, PM 10 और NOC जो NOx gases है, उसी के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. All our standards are at least 4 to 8 times higher than what WHO prescribes or suggests. So is it to say that if we can't meet the global standards, let's raise our standards so that people can't even question that?
See, India is a vast country. We have a population of 140 crores. When the standards were formed, it was not today. It was not during the Modi ji government. It is an old one.
2009.
2009, I'm telling, when the Congress was ruling this country. And if there is a discussion of revision, it is always welcome, as mentioned in the parliament. But still, if you compare the AQI of India with the developing countries, it is still better.
It's better. Sir, आपके पास ऐप है pollution का?
I have the mobile phone which can show the reading in the app.
Can I see it from your phone? What is the reading where we are standing at this moment?
Roughly, it is today average as per the CBS 349.
349. Under which standard, whether it is WHO or Indian guidelines, are we saying that this is acceptable standards of pollution for any human being?
No, it is not good standard, I'm telling you. But if you talk about all the cities of the country, under the National Clean Air Programs, we have many cities like Indore, Ahmedabad, Surat, which are meeting the AQI of less than 100. But if you compare the other cities with the Delhi NCR, Delhi NCR has a problem. We are not.
Who will solve that problem? You are. Hold on. You have the government of BJP at the center. You have the government of BJP here in the national capital. You have government of the BJP in neighboring state of Uttar Pradesh. You have the government of BJP in Haryana. All the neighboring states. Rajasthan, you have government of Bharatiya Janata Party. Why is it? What is it taking so long for the government, maybe the environment minister, to call all the chief ministers and try and formulate a plan? What are we waiting for?
Give me some time to reply. It is not a one-day solution problem. Delhi, we have a government after 27 years. We inherited a lot of things in legacy. If you ask me to data, we have a legacy of 152,000 metric tons of this garbage. We have thousands of tons of dust lying on the roads. We are cleaning. But if you compare the AQI of 2025 November, December month with the 2024, 2023, it is still 550 points better than the last year.
It will be because wherever the monitors are, you have been portraying water. We have seen that how the water has been thrown. यहाँ पर एक monitor लगा हुआ है सर, उसका monitor क्यों बंद करा हुआ है? Why can't people know what is the AQI here at Lodi Road?
Delhi has the highest number of monitoring stations in the country.
All of them are being watered by the government so that the pollution levels can come down.
Either you listen to me or put...
I will only ask questions what people are asking.
Let me reply also,
Sure.
Delhi has 40 monitoring stations. Each parameter has different equipment and apparatus to measures. They are indoors. Just if you pour water on those instruments, they will be destroyed. It is not possible to put water on the instruments to take the readings. Only on the hot spots. Delhi has many hotspots where the AQI is high. The sprinkling of water is the suppressing of this. That is done.
So if you suppress, if you do the sprinkling around the monitors, not on the monitors, won't it suppress?
You cannot sprinkle water on the monitor.
I did not say that.
Ah.
Around the monitors, in the
Sir, it is in the hotspot.
So,
I mean,
so hold on. You are saying in hotspots, if you sprinkle water.
it is not only
hold
water,
on.
it is all
Can
over
I-
the country,
Can I speak?
all over the city.
Can I speak? If in hotspots you sprinkle water, that helps in bringing down the pollution,
That
right?
helps in the dust mitigation.
And that helps in bringing down the pollution level. PM,
Yes,
PM
that's-
2.5 and PM 10 level.
Dust mitigation, yes.
Good.
Yes.
So if you start doing that exactly around the hotspots, won't the readings show much
See,
lower
this-
than anywhere else?
No. See, it is being done all over the city.
Huh.
We have mist spray. Now we have installed in ITO several places. We have the water sprinkling tankers all over the city just to mitigate the dust. These are being used.
And that includes switching off the monitors for few hours in Diwali.
it is not
That is
switching.
that
It
is
is not switching.
that is the allegation that has
No, it is
Hold on.
not. It is not switching. It is not switching. You are using the wrong word. It is not
I'm
switching.
saying that's the allegation from the government of Delhi.
I'm replying, now. I'm replying.
Go ahead.
See, nowhere, never in the history, 15 monitors were shut down. Only the UD link, when there is a sudden spike, the UD link failures, and it is a continuous monitoring station.
Okay.
Have a faith on CPCB. Have a faith on DPCB. They are giving the continuous.
The pollution level doesn't allow the citizens to have any faith on the agencies which are working. But I will come.
You cannot
अरे सर,
blame the government which is for 8 months old to control this.
जो 11 साल वाली सरकार है उसे ब्लेम नहीं करें.
Huh?
इस पूरे
What they
pollution
have
में
done? You
tell me,
tell
hold on.
me.
No, you tell me.
What
एक मिनट. Before that,
What they have done in
before they have not done anything. That is why they have been voted out of power.
I'm saying we have reduced the AQI by 50 points as compared to the previous.
Tell me the last meeting the government of Delhi or you went with the environment minister of this country.
I am not a part of the government, but you read
As the member of the GPCC of the CP.
I am as a board member. Whenever board meeting is held, I participate.
सरकार की कब हुई थी सर मीटिंग?
Sarkar to regularly they are meeting. Ministry of Environment, Government of India, day before yesterday.
I have not seen the environment minister
I will ask
ever.
him to invite you
Please
to
do
Delhi. I will
that.
ask-
That will be great if we can have that.
Go and speak to the environment of Delhi. He will tell you.
Environment minister of Delhi tells us a lot of things. Nothing happens on the AQI meter.